Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I'm doing my second entry for Operation Starburst 21. I did also last year, so Starburst 20. I don't recall and I even won it. And I got some nice fancy male logs from Starry. I love them. Haven't picked any, but they're really nice on my wall. They're beautiful. So yeah, so let's get right into it. We got Mock. I'm gonna subscribe to him. Now he got 45 subscribers. And he picked an Oberalp Stealth Ski last week. And some more fancy logs. So pretty good picker. I have to watch the Urban Alps because I'm working on one too. So yeah, maybe I see something I need to know. So we got quite some videos. He also plays some video games. That was 6 years ago, alright. And now he's more or less active on his YouTube channel. But he's posting videos, so yeah, go check him out. I'm really interested in the Urban Alps. Scenery about, nothing there, that's fine. Alright, next one is Isolated Mic. You're gonna get a subscription from me, 29 subscribers. And he posted the last video a week ago, Abus Bravos 1000. Also picked an EVA EPS 6P as a demo 8, so it's a little higher level picking here, which I like. He also got a pretty nice setup with playlists and subscription, create a playlist and so on the channel. It always looks nice. Now we got like 12, 14 videos on there. It's pretty good. And also more or less active. Every week a video, that's fine. And put it all in playlists. Which I personally like playlists. I like to watch playlists. You even can see Physics Girl. She looks nice. Well, that's not the topic. Okay, so that's about nothing here. Alright. So we got a Filecoin lurker. Also get a subscription from me. 24 he got now. And he got a short. It brings... what is it? Do you have... How many videos do you have? Oh, okay. So I was a little confused about the number 527. But that's not the amount of videos, it's just a log. I would be surprised if he had 500 videos and only 24 subscribers, but that's not it. Alright, so... Oh, Herculog 900, haven't seen that. I got some nice logs on there, and he's doing some voltage leak testing or whatever that is. So, helpful tips for progressive pinging in ASA Max Plus. Well, that sounds interesting. Go check out the Filecoin lurker. Oh, videos 4 days ago, 4 days, 4 weeks. So he's posting now and then a video, that's good. And now the Forgeable Brush 3. I'm gonna subscribe to him. He now got 42 subscribers. And community appreciation video. 4 weeks the last video. I haven't seen that one with my name on it. In the... I have to check it out really quick. I'm not gonna watch it. This is my logo and John Locke and shout out. Alright, I haven't seen it, I'm sorry. I will watch it soon. After the recording. Thank you so much for doing this video. Well, his favorite lock, Kiso 8-pin, American 1100, Master Lock XL. The XL, I hate it. Need so much tension on it. I can rake it better than I can single pin pick it. Well, yes, in Australia. Yeah, I thought so. He's doing also. He's a member of the Speedlocks, so yeah, that's why I know him. Well, I have to check out the other. I completely went by my brain, by my mind. I haven't seen it. I will. G Keyman 565 is the last one for today. Gonna subscribe to him. He now got 83 subscribers. He seems to be an Englishman with, or maybe not, Denmark. With this, all this yellow on the sides. He seems to have some nice videos, but they're all a month old. Sometimes I wish that they are post like at least every 2 weeks. It would be nice. United States. Okay. Right, didn't know that. Well, he's from the United States. And well, yeah. A raccoon. Raccoon dog. Okay. Yeah. I think he's reposting the videos from something else. Oops, sorry, I closed it. Well, yes, damn. Sorry. From some other channel, because it's all the wrong format for YouTube. Well, that looks like a short. They're all shorts. Maybe he's doing TikTok. I don't know. If you know, let me know in the comments. As always, go out and support the community. Subscribe to the channels. That might motivate them to do more videos or more regularly. Well, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.